Just like the rain outside, your body sweating, dripping wet, and I just can't control myself, no baby. Be my possession, baby. I got fine selection, this must be your lucky day, baby. I wanna check it, smack it, all the shit that turns you on. I wanna lick it, kiss it, give you everything you want. Calling out your name, like champagne. Feel the vibe when the wolf comes out tonight.
Alright, this is called the wolf line dance. You're going to start by stepping onto your right, bringing your left foot up, step back to your right, kick your back foot up. Okay? From here, you're cha-chaing to the right, so cha-cha-cha, spin, together, clap. Then you're stepping to the right, clap, left, clap. You're rocking back on your right foot, and you're going to take 1, 2, 3 steps. From here, you're going to go right in front, right behind, step to your left, right, swivel. And then you're going to do the same thing with your left foot. So left, front, back, front, swivel. Then you're going to pivot on your right foot, pivot to this side, then you step out right, left, hips around. So you will do this line dance through 2 times, and then on the 3rd time you are going to go halfway through. So you will, after you cha-cha-cha step, do your 3 steps back, rock, you will start your walk forward, and then it will restart. And then we just restart at the very beginning after the 2nd time through.